Hi, this is Ru from Ether. We are now in Shenzhen Luckym Technology Company. It is a company that has been manufacturing CNC machining parts, stamping parts, die casting parts, plastic parts, fixtures since 2014.
For automation, aerospace, medical equipment, industrial machine, etc. Luckym provides perfect pre-sale, mid-sale, and after-sale service. 24-hour service, short lead time, free samples, good quality for all customers.
Luckym has own laboratory with lots of testing equipment for physical performance testing, including CNC test machine, projection test, etc.
The company constantly follows the international standards of ISO 9001 and ISO 13485. And these are the patents they have.
Luckym has its own production workshop, lathe, CNC, modeling, stamping workshop.
With more than 10 years of product innovation and quality improvement, Luckym has become a reliable partner of benchmark companies in various fields at home and abroad, such as BYD, Huawei, etc. This is CNC machining parts. Aluminum, copper, brass, magnesium, ceramics, engineering plastic, stainless steel polish. They are suitable for various automation, medical, such as aerospace, robots, industrial, and other products.
Choose Luckym. We will provide the best service for our customer. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.